There is light and dark, sun and moon, birth and death, yin and yang. This is the world of polarity and duality. There is always two sides in one coin. The same goes with human. We need to experience both positive and negative emotion so that we can grow and become a better human. This is why we are here in planet Earth. The reason for unhappiness is because we refuse the negative aspects in ourselves. We don't want to feel pain. We don't want to suffer. We only want to feel the happy moment. We think when we achieve something in life, we will be happy, such as getting a degree, making a lot of money, getting married, having children, and become successful in the eyes of the world. There's absolutely nothing wrong with all the goals. It is a wonderful thing to have. But in the journey to success, we'll be facing a lot of challenges. Life is a giant big mirror. Anything we refuse to see and accept will be mirrored back to us through unpleasant things like unhappy relationship, illness, and dramas. The secret to be happy is to let go, to release all the mental burden that is blocking the energy of happiness and ease. Especially now, there are so many angry people in the internet. It is what happens when we cannot help ourselves to process our emotions. When we blame people, we are creating suffering for ourselves. We are also radiating an anger frequency to our family. We feel that we are the right one and others are wrong. This is the perfect moment to start gaining awareness about our mental health. People who makes us angry are meant to do that. They are the messenger from our pain. They bring the anger to the surface so we can see it and heal the part that is related to the anger, so that we can release the anger and love ourselves more and more. This is how we love ourselves, by healing our negative traits related to our traumas. Healing and loving ourselves doesn't always feel good at first, because we are taught to ignore and bypass our emotions. This is where most people give up, because we don't want to feel our pain. We need to feel the suffering that lies inside our bones. We used to numb it by food, Netflix, alcohol, working hard just to not feel the pain. To let go all of our pain, we need to be brave to feel it, to honor the pain and the wisdom. There is no wisdom without pain, just like no rainbow without rain. To be happy, we need to accept ourselves 100%. To love our body, to heal our traumas and hatred. If you always reject the pain, then you're also rejecting happiness. And you are rejecting yourself. Healing is a slow and lifelong process. It is not easy at all. If it is easy, then people will not hate each other. Healing is a gradually shedding process. The pain is our teacher. I have one tip. When anger or anxiety arises, immediately focus on our body. Notice our breath. Close your eyes if you can. Feel every sensation in the body. Feel the heartbeat, the tingling in the hand, the sweat, the urge to defend, the anger. Take our attention away from the person. It will be super hard at first because we are used to point our finger to the other and never observe ourselves. All we need is an awareness. Awareness comes when we are focused on our body without judgment. Pain and suffering is like the data that we need to become better. Life has given us a tremendous opportunity to heal. Isn't it amazing? If we view life like this, the world is gonna be a better place to live because you love yourself. To be happy is to be as light as you can be, to be brave enough to face the darkness in you. The world is not outside. It is all in your perspective. How great do you want to make it? Don't be afraid to be different. Don't be afraid if the world is against you. The star needs a lot of darkness to shine bright. You are the star. We are the star.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.